I'm covering my ears because it's really loud, and it's 1 minute right now for the tornado siren to go off. So we were just waiting for it to go off in the car, and one day we went to the McDonald's one and it broke, and we didn't hear it. So this is we came here to do the tornado siren. We did this one, and it's a wee win. What happened?
You hear the one far away?
Yeah. Do they turn off?
Yeah.
Is it the end?
No, I think they're gonna do the talking.
So hi guys, more tornado stuff. I really like tornado sirens. So I just came to have one today, and I was hoping this one was going to turn on, and it did. So we always did that. One day we came by the McDonald's one. It was working. It was when I was 4 years old. I'm 6 years old.
This has been a test of. This has been a test.
And that's the end. So one day we went to the McDonald's one and it was broken. It didn't turn on, but this one did. So we might end the video now.